Dear Water Treatment Product Distributor, are you tired of manually measuring your chemical products and wasting valuable work hours? We have the perfect solution for you, Enterkim dosing pumps. Our dosing pumps are designed to make chemical dosing easy and precise. With a divider mode, hoses, and installation accessories included, our dosing pumps allow you to dose quickly and efficiently up to 21 to 14 gallons per day. In addition, our range of 60 to 120 pounds per square inch ensures that you can dose your chemical products with the proper pressure. The best part is that our dosing pumps are easy to install and use. You don't need to be a chemistry expert to make the most of our dosing pumps. With just one installation, you can dose your chemical products consistently and accurately, saving you time and money. Our Enterkim dosing pumps are ideal for use in swimming pools, spas, irrigation systems, and many other industrial environments. If you're looking for a way to improve the efficiency of your work, look no further than Enterkim dosing pumps. Ready to improve the efficiency of your work with our dosing pumps? Don't wait any longer to contact us and place your order. Our team will be happy to assist you with everything you need. Best regards, www.productospolo.com